This is a question from Brother Jamal from Morocco concerning this hadith which says that when the Zaman will approach, the believer will be seeing very true dreams, and a true dream of
the believer
will be seeing, he will see, believers will see true dreams.
When
the Zaman will approach. Near the approach of the Zaman.
Zaman?
Yes.
Which Zaman?
I think he referred to the Qiyamah.
Latter days.
Yes, latter days, that's right. And then he says that the true dream of a believer is a part of 64 parts.
40th part of.
Yes, 40th part of the prophethood. He wants to know the meaning of this hadith, and also what is the relationship between the Day of Judgment, or iqtirab as-sa'a, and the abundance of true dreams. And also he would like to know, is there a relationship between this hadith and the people who are nowadays accepting the message of the promised Messiah through revelation and dreams?
Evidently, this is related to all this, and he is rightly guided by God to interpret that. So at the time of Hazrat Imam Mahdi, as Muslim Islam, the number of Ahmadis who see dreams about the future and the dreams which are fulfilled exactly, and the number of even non-Ahmadis who are led to Ahmadiyyat entirely because of their dreams, which were fulfilled precisely as they were told. So this is a period where the world at large has become atheist. So to prove the existence of God to them, it was essential. In large cases of Ahmadis dwelling in different places, they should appear as signs of God to them. And I have never come across a single family in Ahmadiyya where they did not see, or some other family, some true dreams. And most of their forefathers who were led to Ahmadiyya were always because of the dreams. It's very clear and very specific in informing them that the promised Messiah had come. So I fully agree with Mustafa, is he? Jamal Mustafa?
Jamal Aghzul.
Jamal?
Aghzul.
Akhdul.
Aghzul, yeah.
Aghzul.
Yeah.
Jamal Aghzul, that his interpretation is absolutely right. And 40th part of Nabuwa, which means that those who will be shown good dreams, just because they are right, they cannot call themselves Nabi, because it's the blessing of Nabuwat, and it's only 1/40th part of the Nabuwa, which is very high status.
قال حضر المؤمنين أنه بدون أي شك أن هذا